Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. If you are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor, bringing you another property tour. So today I'm here in the southwest Las Vegas Valley in this new community called Wesley Park by American West Homes. So this model that we are going to be touring today is the Halton Peak, and this one right here is a two-story, 2,025 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. The base price, the starting price, $391,500. I love how they do the outside here, right? Kind of gives that modern look. But here's the thing, guys, do not be misled. All this is a standard track home. They changed the facade. When it comes down to modern type of homes, you really got to look at the architectural design. Okay? Now, let's see what we have here. So this is actually a 2-car garage, and you're probably wondering, why do we have all these rocks here and it's not a driveway? Well, because it's just a model home. Eventually, what they're going to do is pave all this, right? And then remove these little fence here with the wire here. Okay? Let's take a look at how many air conditioning units that we have. Wow, this drain swell is pretty deep, which is a good thing. So it looks like we have 2 condensers, Lennox. Now, Lennox is a really good AC company that manufactures these units here. So it looks like Sierra Air actually picked up on this contract with this builder here. Ooh, is that a grill there? Ooh, isn't it kind of dangerous to be leaving a grill there? You figure somebody come out here and jack it, right? Now, what I do like about this build is that you have the integrated system for the Trex pest control system. Now, when it comes to the pest control system, right, what that is, it's a line that's in between the walls. And you would have a pest guy come out here. He doesn't have to go inside your home. He can go ahead and attach his equipment to it and send the chemicals through. However, do not just have anybody come on out here, because you can actually ruin the lines. Okay? What I mean by that is the chemical that actually goes in there, it starts off as a liquid, then it turns into like a dry powder. Okay? So you need to make sure you have the right product. So we have a nice door here. I'm gonna just walk it straight back. Oh yeah, HOAs are about $45 a month. Now with this builder here, American West, that's owned by Pulte, you're gonna have some options that you can do. On this build, you don't have too many options. I definitely do love the cabinets here, and that is definitely an upgrade. And also the handles. Now I do love this black handles here. This is kind of cool. Look at this. Love that. All right. Awesome. Now, one thing I want you to understand is when you're doing your handles, should you guys decide to do it yourself, now, a home is never straight, symmetrically, right? If you're going to put on your handles, do not take off the door, then put on your handles. Because when you do that, the handles won't be straight. So the first thing you're going to do is line up the doors, right? You make the adjustments here, right? You can go in, out, whatever you want. And that's how you're going to level this door. Once that is done, then go ahead and do the hardware, okay? Make your job a lot easier. Oh, I love this deep sink here. Focus Plumbing is the contractors here. You have your Whirlpool appliances here. On this one is a upgrade package. Let's take a look on this convection microwave, if this one is exhaust out. I do love that exhaust that spits it out. Now, at nighttime, you're going to hear, right, the door swinging open when it's windy. Don't worry about that. That's normal, okay? The backsplash here is definitely a upgrade. Let's take a look here. We've got a, pantry. They got this whole door. It feels like you're going to walk into something, but nope. You got the chicken wire shelf. I prefer the hard, solid 1/2-inch plywood here. It just seems like it's so flimsy to me. Or you know what you can also do is cut a piece of plywood and just lay it all the way on top too as well. And that should also work. Okay. You got the orange peel texture. Now this island, I never understood this island here. Okay. Where you have this gap. I mean, I believe on this spec right here, you do have the option to do the cabinets. If you do the cabinets, I would actually sleeve this whole thing right here. Okay. Now, there's something that I see right here that really piqued my interest, and I think this is really cool. Okay. Take a look at this. You have a 6-inch baseboards with a 1/8 rip, right? Right through that baseboards, and also around the casing around the door, you have the same thing, which is, I think this is probably my favorite thing throughout the whole house right now, besides the handles. Okay. Now, one thing that I want to do with my custom house when I build it, I'm going to flush this baseboard with this wall, but I'm going to have a 1/2 inch rip all the way across. So that way you don't have 1 inch sticking on the baseboards. The baseboard is actually a part of the wall, but then you'll have a rip that goes all the way across. And I'm going to do that also with the casings around the door when I build my custom home. You'll see what I'm talking about. See, that's why you guys got to follow this channel, is because you're going to get a lot of great ideas. So it looks like we have a Simplify. This is a 70-inch, right? Now on this 70-inch, you can definitely change the colors on here. It does spit out some BTUs. I'm not too sure what the BTUs are on here. Love that window right here. Those windows are more custom windows right there. But remember, the builder will order in bulk, so they pretty much get a good discount. I don't know if I mentioned the orange peel texture. This is your 2-car garage, which is locked. You got your ADT system. Wow, mine is like so old. I get like the annual push button, like analog. Love that frosted glass right there, and I love this window right here too as well. You got your half bath with the pedestal sink. Now let's go upstairs. So on this one right here, typically this would be a pony wall. Okay. So we know that this railing is definitely an upgrade here. So you have a bunch of stairs. You come up to a landing. Oh, this is actually a 3-story, huh? Oh, yeah. So we have like a little loft area here. Nice. See what they're doing. That's kind of cool. That cork board in the United States. This must be the master. Let's go take a look at the master. Oh, I love how they frame this out right here. That's kind of cool. You got the surround sounds. You got the LED traverse lights. Now with the LED traverse lights that they have here, you just take off the whole thing. That's the good news about this. Instead of the bulb. Is that a tooth? That looks like a big old tooth. I'm getting sidetracked. Look at that. Tooth. Let's take a look at this. This is all American West homes. American West, they own a lot of land out here in the Southwest. Now, you see this right here? Believe this or not, this is a package, right? Lumber is actually sold in a package. So, like these homes, they don't just bring out a bunch of lumber and they start collecting all the lumber and using what lumber that they have. That's not how it works. Everything's all prefabricated, right? Even like the A-trusses, right? The A-frames. They're through a third-party company. Based upon the type of design that you have, like this home, the A-frames, they're organized from like 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's how they set it, right? So they're through like third-party companies. So what happens is everybody has to pre-order their lumber now because they're hedging against inflation. That's why a lot of builders right now, they are already pre-speccing the home for you. So before you can go in, pick a lot, you can pick your structural upgrades, but because lumber is getting so expensive, you can't do that now. What they're doing is they're picking what structural items that they think that you may pick and choose, or what's more popular, what's cost effective. Because they know if you don't pick that, somebody else will buy it, right? I do love this block right here. This is really nice. Now, that's an upgrade, folks. Get your walk-in closet. Not bad. This walk-in closet looks to be about 8 by 8. It's a pretty decent size. I would definitely stack up on the, what do you call it? Got the toilet, or what we call the water closet. You got a thermostat here. You do have your attic access right there, your crawl space to the subfloor, which is, I don't know why they did that, but it's probably for a design feature. So we have this bathroom right here, services these 2 bedrooms. I would definitely double up on the sink and keep this at a 36 inches. I love the tile here. Kind of gives that farm type. Now the only thing about American West homes, when it comes to like the backsplashes for the tubs here, you don't really get that many of an option. What you're going to notice, each builder, they market towards a different sector. And what I mean by that is, you can go to one builder, you have more options, right? Because that's how they do it. Costs us money. Or you can go to a builder like this, you have a few options, because it's like a tract home builder, they're slapping it together, right? Because what they're doing is more like volume than anything. Then you can go to like a builder like Lennar. Then what you'll realize is that what you see is what you get, because people can't visualize this. Now, some of these things, you got to look really straight down the baseboards. That's what I want you to do, especially when you guys close on a home, you guys are going through your orientation. You really got to take a look at everything. Oh, forgot to mention laundry room. Now, this I'm not understanding. Okay, you have a washer and dryer on the second floor, but there's no drain pan. They should shoot out a drain pan directly through the subfloor and take it out to this side. However, it looks like they do have the soft water. I'm sorry, not your soft water, but right here it says do not move, do not remove that, because what happens is your what do you call? I was going to say hot water heater. Yes, your hot water heater sometimes will siphon through here and drain through here, because what happens is, because this is a third floor, you have water all in the pipes, and you have to have the water circulating, and sometimes it spits it out through here because of the pressure. So that's good, actually. You do have a Smurf tube right here that comes throughout from the D-Mark, which is great. That's something I would definitely look at for every single builder, because eventually you're going to have fiber optics running through the whole city. Coming up to the third floor. Wow. Pretty large loft here. I do love this. Love it. All right. Oh, crap. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. All right, man. We got to have some fun a little bit. Snake eyes, baby. Here we go. Snake eyes. Oh, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. One more time. Can I roll a 6? Oh, now I'm playing. I gotta finish off strong. Here we go. Here we go. 6, baby. 6, baby. Oh, 7. Crapped out. You gotta have some fun sometimes, guys. Stop taking things so serious. Okay. 8-foot ceilings. You got your return line. You got your attic right here. So you got your AC unit here. Looks like you have an option for surround sounds, ceiling fan, and also looks like you have a pre-wire for something. I'm not too sure what that is. Second thermostat here. Coming into the, third bathroom? 1, 2, 3, yeah, maybe third. I don't even remember now. Look at that. That's nice. Nice, baby. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right. If you guys have not had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Hit that notification button too as well. Also, just wanted to let you guys know if you guys are interested in this community, all the lots right now have all been sold. They got more lots to release. They're not going to release any lots yet. There is a laundry list of people right now. Now, if you guys do come out here, make sure to get with my girl, Lauren. She going to hook you up. You know what I'm saying? She going to hook you up, cuz. Now, because you guys don't want to go on the reserve list because there's like a long line on that reserve list, right? And you want to be the first. We talked about this. Early bird gets the worm. I got a new community that's being released just about 5 minutes away from here. Let me know. They have 175 lots. I'm going to hook you guys up with my man, Scott. I'm going to get you guys first in the line. But early bird gets the worm. The city just literally parceled everything out. Dirt has been excavated. They're ready to go. But this is where you're going to get all the information. Other than that, oh, you know what? I forgot to look underneath here. This is actually a closet. Did I look under here? No, I didn't. There you go. All right, guys. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Be safe out there, guys. There's a lot of crazy people. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. Be blessed.